Sarvajanik College of Engineering and Technology. The Sarvajanik College of Engineering and Technology SCET is an engineering college that is a part of the Sarvajanik Education Society. Sarvajanik Education Society's proposal for State University is accepted by Gujarat Assembly on 30 March 2021. The college was started in 1995 in Surat, Gujarat, at the RK Desai Marg in the Athwalines area opposite to Jawaharlal Nehru Udhyan Chaupaty. The college is located in Sarvajanik Education Society campus and near PT Science College, M.T.B Arts College, and K.P.Commerce College. Courses. When SCET opened in 1995, it had departments of electronics engineering, chemical engineering, architecture, textile, technology, and processing. It was the first college to offer engineering degrees in textiles, which is the major industry of Surat. In 1997, the college expanded and now has departments of computer engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation and control, and information technology. An environmental science department has started. Undergraduate courses of study include Bachelor of Engineering BE, 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 chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, electrical engineering MBA accredited since 2017, electronics and communication engineering MBA accredited since 2017, information technology, instrumentation and control engineering MBA accredited since 2017, textile technology MBA accredited since 2017, mechanical engineering, Bachelor of Architecture B Arch. Postgraduate, Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering Town and Country Planning, Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering Structure, Master of Engineering in Computer Engineering, Master of Engineering in Electronics and Communication Engineering 2011 to 2020, Master of Engineering in Electrical Engineering 2011 to 2020, Master of Engineering in Environmental Engineering, Master of Computer Application MCA, Master of Architecture M. Arch, in City Design. Affiliations and recognitions.